special experience by KORLOY. Difference in productivity and efficacy. It is high feed milling tool, HFM. High efficiency milling tool for small diameter machining, HFM, covers a range of applications that were impossible to process with previous milling tools. HFM's chip breaker is composed of MF, usable for fine finishing, titanium Inconel processing, and high hardening non-chip breaker usage. HFM's holder is composed of shank and modular. Shank has line up from 8 pi to 21 pi, while modular has line up from 8 pi to 33 pi. For HFM and insert structure, high helix cutting edge application reduces the cutting resistance, therefore allowing high speed and high feed machining, while offering a longer tool life. Furthermore, with a reinforced flank angle, hardness of the insert is increased, preventing low tool life due to high feed and high speed machining. For holder setup, axial rake angle is negatively formed to strengthen toughness, reducing contact surface with workpiece, minimizing tool vibration with flank side and material, increasing chipping expectancy, and realizing stable high hardness processing. Furthermore, through applying recommended type for workpiece, work efficacy can be maximized. KORLOY's new high-feed milling tool, HFM. KORLOY.